This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News, read by Arundhati Paul. As we start the bulletin, we appeal to our listeners to stay safe from COVID-19 by following these 3 simple steps. Get fully vaccinated, wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki doori for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. And now the news in detail. In Goa, Manipur, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, the counting of votes in respect of general elections to the 5 Legislative Assemblies got underway from 8 this morning. In addition, the counting of votes for the simultaneous by-poll to Majuli Assembly seat in Assam has also begun. Repolling at 7 polling stations of 5 Assembly constituencies were conducted in Manipur yesterday. Among these, 4 Assembly constituencies are reserved for scheduled tribes. The main contest in Manipur is between the ruling BJP and the opposition Congress. The Election Commission has banned all victory processions on or after the day of counting of votes for the Assembly polls. Not more than 2 people will be allowed to accompany the winning candidate to receive the certificate of election from the concerned returning officer. In Assam, the ruling BJP and its ally Asom Gana Parishad got majority in 77 municipal board polls. The BJP won maximum seats in 75 boards, while Asom Gana Parishad has majority in 2 municipal boards. The Congress won 1 board and independent candidate got majority in the 2 remaining boards. The polls were held for 977 seats in 80 municipal boards. The BJP won 742 and alliance partner Asom Gana Parishad got 65 seats. The opposition Congress won 71 seats, while independent and other parties got 99 seats. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad yesterday presented a tax-free deficit budget of 1,849 crore rupees for the year 2022-23 and allocated over 48% of the total estimated budget expenditure towards realizing the state's sustainable development goals. The Chief Minister, who also holds the finance portfolio, categorized some of the allocations into gender, youth and sustainable development goals budget. The Meghalaya government has initiated a program to install 875 base transceiver stations to extend the 4G network to 1,164 villages in the state that do not have mobile connectivity. In addition, 11 base transceiver stations will be installed on National Highways 44 and 62 to improve the mobile coverage. Chief Minister Conrad said in the Assembly yesterday that the government is also working on an initiative to improve the bandwidth connectivity by getting a direct internet connection from Sylhet in Bangladesh. Meghalaya yesterday reported 11 new COVID-19 cases, which added up to 126 active cases. The state also reported 14 more cases of recovery, taking the recovered tally to 91,913. Meanwhile, 13,64,849 persons received the first dose of the COVID vaccine. 9,78,597 persons were fully vaccinated with the second dose, and 28,295 eligible persons had taken the third precautionary dose in Meghalaya till yesterday. In Manipur, the number of COVID-19 positive cases has been decreasing significantly day by day. 10 persons were tested positive for COVID-19 and another person succumbed to the virus yesterday, taking the death toll up to 2,116 in the state, which had 96 active cases. Meanwhile, 25 COVID-19 patients were discharged from the healthcare centers after recovery. The number of doses of COVID-19 vaccine administered till last evening in Manipur was 27,41,838, including 11,59,651 second doses. In Manipur, all classes in all educational institutes are reopening today. The State Education Department said that all educational institutes, including residential schools, hostels, boarding schools, coaching institutes, and also institutes under different ministries of the Government of India, are to reopen for physical classes. The educational institutions should observe COVID-19 guidelines and follow the standard operating procedures during the classes. The decision to reopen all educational institutes in Manipur has been made considering improvement in the COVID-19 situation in the state and an increased rate of vaccination among teachers, staff and students. And with that, we end the Northeast News from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.